Well, hey guys, welcome back. I'm Josh. We're at the Quick Speed Shop. We're on it's a gorgeous fall night, a little windy. It went right from being summer to fall in one day. I got a car coming over. I got to fluid film a little bit, but I got a little bit here out my junkyard. I'm going to do some rearranging here. I got a disaster behind me. Got the dent side Dodge sitting there. Been working on that. I got, when I cut up the 75 Dodge right here in the trailer, I've got all the junk here. So I'm going to fire up my 77 Camper Special. I'm going to make a scrap run. I'm going to throw all this Dodge crap in the back. I'm going to pick up some other stuff I got. Everything is a disaster back here. I got to make some room. Getting ready for fall. I got the stupid Camaro front clip I got for nothing. I've been trying to sell it for 75 bucks on Craigslist. Nobody wants it. I got an idea. Watch this. Is it gonna work? Oh yeah. Money. Money. Like it already. Watch the windshield. This is awesome. Boom. Look at that wind. We got a Convertible, Core Arrow. I don't know. It works. Look at that. This is awesome. This is going right on the internet. It's going to blow everybody's mind. I'm going to put it on Instagram, Quick Speed Shop on Instagram. How can you win? How can you lose? How can you lose, dude? That's got to be 1 million views right there. Awesome. Bam, win. Now you guys aren't going to believe this. I had to put my Gasoline Forever hat on just so I wouldn't get like overcome with electricity or something. I've got a Tesla here, a Model Y. Why? I don't know. I got to put some fluid film on it. The thing is crazy. It's like one big homogelated sealed box of craziness. Let's take a look. So I got to spray this in fluid film. There's like a hole here where you put stuff. It's all digicals to run the whole thing. I pulled off a plastic cover I found here, like stamped on. There appears to be some kind of electrical sorcery under here. Don't know what that means. But I gotta get some fluid film on this metal in here-ish. This is metal. You gotta run it like with a credit card for some reason. The door handles are like non-functional unless you do that. It's got some like bougie screen here. I don't know, it's like an iPad stuck to the dashboard. That's all you get is that. It makes noises like a blender when you open the door. It sounds like the Jetsons backing up. And there's like this rear area. Yidia motor. Yada? I don't know. So, I don't know where the rest of the metal is. I mean, this is all metal. Gotta get in there. I don't know, let's see. The door, like, wants to open for you. Alright. This is metal. I got some drains, I guess. I've never seen such sorcery as this thing. It's crazy. Look at underneath here. It's just one big sheet of plastic. How does that work? It's one big sheet of plastic underneath here. I don't know. This is, I'm gonna get what I can get on it. I don't even see the metal. I don't understand how any of this works. It took like 10 minutes to figure out how to drive it. It was crazy. Not used to weird stuff like Teslas here at the Quick Speed Shop. Probably the first and only one that's ever going to be here. We'll see. Well, I got as much fluid film on this thing as I could. The whole underside of the car is covered in plastic. You probably have to disassemble the whole thing. I did get some cowl pieces off the front, and I'm going to back it out of the way. Here this thing is going. Watch this. Oh, key card. Got to place the key card down here. Oh, now it's doing something. Oop, drive. Nope. I want reverse. There we go. Holy moly. This is where it sounds like the Jetsons. Let's see, here we go. I'm not used to driving a car with backup cameras. I'm always using my mirrors. The thing does stop for you automatically. It feels really weird because it's got like the resistance of the electric motors, so you don't got to really use the brake pedal. You hear that? Hear that whine? It sounds like the Jetsons. It's not back into anything. This car, I think, is brand new. Thing is sweetie. The park is over here. You got to push the button. Now we're in park again. Bam, how about that? Got the little Tesla card. This must be like the valet card. And that was my Tesla experience. Man, what a weird experience with the Tesla. I don't know how I feel. Here. Had to touch a V8 just to get, so I wouldn't be corrupted. Woo! That was a close one. Holy moly. Let's get back to working on rusty junk. Get out of our electric car mode for today. So here you see the 360 Magnum motor for the Dodge truck. Got it here. I got a whole box full of parts. I think later we're going to start working on this, change the timing chain stuff. I've been soaking it with Marvel Mystery Oil because it had just a little bit of stiffness in it here, and it works super nice now. Turns over nice and good. I needle scaled all the block. Had some surface rust. I needle scaled the block. I got to get some freeze plugs. I ordered the wrong ones apparently from Rock Auto. I'm going to paint this or use some acid or something, etch this up, and then prime it. Some good rusty metal primer, and then we'll paint it. I think the Dodge turquoise that it would be in the late 70s. But I got a new oil pump. I'll pull the oil pump off. Put a new rear main seal in it. New timing chain. I got a bunch of other parts in here. New plugs and stuff like that. So we'll get back on working on this. But for right now, I think I want to go out back and move some junk around. I think we're going to drag the donor chassis up front, and I think we're going to start pulling the motor training and transfer case out of that and see how it goes with that stuff. Tractor doesn't have enough weight. Spinning, making a mess out of the yard here. I'm gonna have to get something heavier to drag this. Maybe the brown. Oh golly, everything's tore up. At least it's fall. Stuff will grow. It's winter time. Yeah, I need something with some more traction here. Well, there we go. Got the old chassis stashed up here up top. Pulled it up with the brown Dodge and then put it away with the tractor. And yeah, it's here. Now I can get ready to pull it out, get all the drivetrain pulled out of it, get the brakes off so it rolls easier because it rolled pretty stiff. And we'll get her start getting it ready. I've got the Eastwood SCT with a couple of stripping drums. I'm going to strip this all with that, get it cleaned up, use a needle descaler and to scale around some of the edges. I think I'm going to take the rear shackles off, the shackle mounts in the back, and clean around them real good because the metal's a little thin. I might have to weld a little bit on there, but we'll get it all cleaned up and put some Eastwood Rust Encapsulator Plus on it in matte black, and then this will be a good chassis to build on. So at least it's up here and it's ready for action. All right, well, that's it. Got too dark to do anything else. I got the Magnum 5.9 back here, and that's ready for action. Probably next time I'll be working on that, or stripping the chassis out. It's right before Hershey, so I got a lot of things going on, getting ready for that, and just trying to get things buttoned up, work on things the best I can. It's been raining every day. Hopefully that's over soon so we can work outside on that chassis. But did all kinds of things in this video. Made a Cormaro. I named it C-O-R-Maro, Cormaro. That was awesome, super awesome. Made that. Move things around. Saw that Tesla. That blew everybody's mind. The digicals and all that stuff. I'm not sold on electric cars whatsoever. I think I'll stick on my gasoline. So we'll see awesome gasoline action with the fat Magnum 5.9, with the brown Dodge truck, big bad brown express truck build. You'll see it, bam, right here at the Quick Speed Shop. I'm a professional. Don't try this at home.